Are you ready to start your online business? Yes? No? Maybe? Ready or not, here are the step-by-step guide to help you start and grow your e-commerce business. So the first step is you have to find your niche. So you have to research and identify a target market that aligns with your passion and expertise. So this is crucial for standing out in a competitive world of e-commerce, and gets bigger and bigger each year. So you better sit down, take some time and do that research before you even get started with anything else. Step 2 is to develop a solid business plan. So you have to outline all your goals. What is the budget that you have? The products you want to sell? And what are the marketing strategies that you're going to be using to market your products that you chose? So this will serve as your roadmap to success. The next step is to source out high quality products. So you have to establish a reliable suppliers or manufacturers to ensure that your customers receive top-notch products. So don't compromise on the quality. And you don't have to start with a big quantity. You can start with a small quantity and then test out the market, test if people are even interested in those products that you've chosen. And then later on, you can reinvest your money and get more products. So don't rush and get too much products that you won't be able to move. The next step is to build a professional website. So now you have your products that you have sourced out. Now you can create your website which looks really professional. You create an engaging and user-friendly online store so that you can showcase your products and your brand. So remember, first impressions matter. So make sure you put some time to really create a website. It doesn't look like an amateur website. You need a website that's trustworthy. A website that is easy to navigate and helps to convert visitors easily. Next step is to set up a secure payment gateway. You have to protect your customer sensitive information by integrating trusted and secure payment options into your website. There are lots of options out there like PayPal, Stripe, even Shopify payment gateway. After that, the next step is to implement effective marketing strategies. So you have to utilize social media, you have to utilize search engine optimization and email marketing to promote your products and attract new customers. So take some time to learn all this. And then the next step now is to provide exceptional customer service. We don't want to forget this. So respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns, and aim for seamless post-purchase experiences. So happy customers lead to repeat business. So make sure you are providing good customer service. After that, you have to analyze and optimize. So continuously, you have to monitor and analyze your sales, your website traffic, and customer behavior to identify areas for improvement and growth. So it's not just a one-time thing that then you just forget about it. You have to continuously be analyzing your sales to see where the sales coming from, where's the traffic coming from on your website, what can you do to improve that. So by following these steps, you'll be on your way to mastering e-commerce and scaling your online business. So remember, success in e-commerce doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, persistent, and continuous learning. So keep educating yourself on evolving trends and strategies to stay ahead of the game. So if you found this useful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable. I hope you found this video useful. Here are more videos that you can check out to continue working on building your e-commerce and get the success that you want. For now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.